peace of mind to finding my being. Seeing is believing, and I'm speaking what I'm breathing. Seek what they hide. When I grow, I only grow. And time is
Hey friend, and welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm coming to you with yet another new unit. This one is from the Outre Melted Hairline collection. It's in the style Elara and it's in the color DRFF4/Cocoa Vanilla Swirl. So here's what the star card for her is looking like. And this one is going to be available in 9 special colors. So for the cap construction on this one, you are going to get a wonderfully pre-plucked hairline, honey, and it is also going to come with baby hairs. For the inside of the cap construction, you are going to get 2 combs that are right in the front next to that parting space. You're going to get a 5-inch deep parting space that is right in the center, and this is going to be soft HD transparent lace. In the back, you're going to get a comb in the back as well as your adjustable straps and a pre-attached adjustable elastic band. This one was made on a ventilated wig cap. So now I'm just going to go in with my even lace tint spray in the color medium dark brown and tint the lace. And then we're going to throw this bad boy on the wig head and give you guys a 360 to show you what it's looking like. So look at the layers layering, honey. This color blend is really, really pretty. The length on this one is going to be 24 inches. And as a side note as well, you guys, this one is going to come with some sideburns. So now I'm just going to go in and start cutting that lace. First, I'm going in with my embroidery scissors and creating smaller sections so that when I go in with my pinking shears, it just makes it easier to maneuver around these pre-cut lace sections. And I have noticed that the more sections that I cut, the easier it is to maneuver with those scissors. So now I'm just gonna go in with my serrated pinking shears and start cutting around the lace sections that I pre-created. And like I said, I do this because it makes this process so much easier, so I can just go in with those serrated pinking shears and cut section by section versus trying to get it all out in one cut. Just because, like I said, these scissors are super bulky, so they're kind of hard to maneuver and manipulate around the hairline. So that is what it's looking like after I've cut the lace off. So now I'm just going to go in and install this on my head. Because this is going to be just a center part, you're not going to have to worry about any additional styling or anything like that. I'm going to say this one is going to be great for somebody who's a beginner or somebody who doesn't really want to deal with all the hassle of a frontal. What I really like about it is that you get the look of a frontal as far as the hairline being very natural, but you also don't have to deal with the maintenance of maintaining a frontal. So now I'm just going to go in with my The Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's in the colors Yoda and Kufuru and start applying that around the perimeter of the lace and just start blending that in. One of the best parts about this install, you guys, is that it took me no time at all. Now on the stock card, they do list the texture as yaki, but I don't know if it's just specifically this color. I did notice some silkiness in there. So there's like definitely a blend between a yaki and a silky. So keep that in mind if you're a silky girl. That may be something for you to just take note of because it's not a yaki all throughout. It's definitely a blend of both textures. As far as the density on this one, the density is really nice. It's sitting at about 160%, so the density is nice and full. It's right in the middle. It's not too overwhelming or anything like that. The density is beautiful. Look at these layers though. Look at these layers. Look at that hairline. Now they did their job when it comes to this hairline, you guys, because I did not have to go in and do anything at all. I am absolutely going to say that this is going to be one of those throw on and go units for sure. And I'm also going to say that it is going to be a glueless unit. My head is about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference and it fit my head wonderfully, you guys. I did adjust that adjustable elastic band. It is fitting my head very nice, very secure. I did not need to go in and add any adhesive or anything like that. They did a great job when it comes to this unit. Honestly, when it comes to the Melted Hairline collection, I'm not sure why I don't pick up more units from them. It could be just because I feel like I'm always a frontal girl because I always want the option to switch up my part, but I was absolutely feeling this look, you guys. So now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of my mousse and I'm just kind of smoothing the hair in the front down because once again, this is going to be a baby hairless install. And now I'm just going to go in with my She Bomb wax stick and just start applying that to the top part of the hair, just so I can make sure that it's nice and flat. And then I'm just going to go in with my liquid foundation and apply that around the perimeter of the lace as well, just so I can make sure that that lace is as blended in as possible. But like, look how she's sitting, y'all, without me even putting that foundation on there. She's sitting pretty, like the way that she should. This is absolutely glueless. This is absolutely gonna be lazy girl approved for sure. I really loved how minimal work this was for me to get this wig together. Outre did their thing with this one, you guys. And I like that on the stock card, they gave her little bangs. I was thinking about doing that, but I just really like the look as is, so I didn't go in and cut the bangs like she has on the stock card. But I think that'd be a super cute look. And then of course I'm just combing those baby hairs into the hairline so that it's yet another baby hairless install. And then I'm going in with my brush and kind of loosening up those curls some, just so that it's not overly perfect. And that is it, you guys. This was a simple and easy install. So as far as my cons on this unit, I truly can't say that I have any cons. Just something to note, I did get a little bit of tangling, I did get a little bit of shedding, but nothing too crazy. And other than that, I really can't say anything negative when it comes to this unit. As far as my pros on this unit, this color blend is beautiful. The way that they have done these layers is amazing. The fact that it was glueless, honey, the length of it is nice, the density is nice, the look of it is nice. The hairline, can we get into the hairline again, honey? Yes, yes. We love an easy breezy wig, and this is it, honey. This is it. So if you're somebody who wants to try a color, if you're somebody who likes wig with some body, with some glam to it that you could pull out, this is gonna be the one for you. I'm not even gonna knock them for the fact that it wasn't all yucky throughout, because I do feel like this was a really cute unit and I really liked how easy and simple it was for me to get this wig together, honey. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up on any of their colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.